Do you want to take your business to the next level with artificial intelligence? Do you want to solve your specific problems and achieve your unique goals with AI? If yes, then you need a custom AI model that is designed and trained for your use case. Here, we will show you how a custom AI model can help your business grow and how you can create one with ease and confidence. A custom AI model is a unique AI system that is specifically designed and trained for a particular use case or problem. Unlike generic or pre-trained AI models, which are available as off-the-shelf solutions, a custom AI model is built from scratch to meet the specific requirements and data of the user. This provides several advantages over a generic one, such as higher accuracy, greater flexibility, and better control and security. A custom AI model can benefit businesses in various sectors and domains. In retail and e-commerce, it can help personalize products and services, optimize pricing and inventory, and improve marketing and sales strategies. In healthcare and biotech, it can assist in diagnosing diseases, discovering new drugs, and automating administrative tasks. In education and learning, it can create engaging and adaptive learning experiences and enhance collaboration and communication. In finance and banking, it can detect fraud, manage risk, and provide financial advice. In manufacturing and logistics, it can optimize production processes, predict demand and supply, and enhance quality and safety standards. Overall, a custom AI model can make a significant difference in various use cases, and there is likely a way that it can help any business achieve its goals and objectives. Creating a custom AI model is a complex and challenging task that requires a significant investment of time, effort, and expertise. However, it is achievable with the right approach and tools. The first step is to identify the problem you want to solve with your custom AI model and the specific objective you want to achieve. This will help you narrow your scope and guide your subsequent decisions. The next step is to gather and prepare the data that will serve as the raw material for your custom AI model. You should collect sufficient data that is relevant, reliable, and representative of your use case. Additionally, you need to clean, label, format your data, and divide it into training, validation, and test datasets. The third step involves selecting the appropriate model and framework that you will use to build your custom AI model. It would help if you chose a model that is suitable for your use case, such as a classification, regression, clustering, or generation model. You also need to select a framework that is compatible with your model and data, such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, or scikit-learn. The fourth step involves training and evaluating your model. This is the stage where your custom AI model learns from your data and measures its performance. You should train your model using various parameters and algorithms and evaluate your model using various metrics and methods. Additionally, you should fine-tune and optimize your model and test it on new and unseen data. The final step is to deploy and monitor your model. You must deploy your model on an appropriate platform or environment, such as a cloud service, web app, or mobile app. You should also monitor your model regularly, update it as necessary, and ensure that it is working correctly in delivering value. Creating a custom AI model can be a challenging and risky process due to various factors. One of the primary challenges is obtaining sufficient high-quality data that is relevant to the specific use case. Poor or insufficient data can lead to inaccurate and unreliable results. Another challenge is the technical complexity and cost involved in building a custom AI model, which requires extensive technical skills and computational resources. Lastly, ethical and legal issues must be addressed to ensure compliance with relevant regulations, privacy, security, fairness, accountability, and transparency. However, there are ways to overcome these challenges and risks. Data augmentation and synthesis techniques can be used to increase and improve existing data, and AI platforms and services can simplify and accelerate the creation of custom AI models. Additionally, AI ethics and governance frameworks can be used to ensure ethical and legal compliance. Examples of such frameworks include the OECD Principles on AI, the EU Guidelines on AI Ethics, and the IEEE Ethically Aligned Design. Creating a custom AI model can be a game changer for your business, enabling you to tap into the potential of artificial intelligence and machine learning. By leveraging customized algorithms and models, you can unlock a range of benefits and opportunities that can help you stay competitive and grow your business. One of the key advantages of a custom AI model is increased efficiency and productivity. By automating and optimizing your business processes, you can reduce your operational costs and time and focus on your core competencies and value propositions. This can not only boost your bottom line, but also improve your reputation and customer satisfaction. Another benefit of a custom AI model is enhanced customer experience and satisfaction. By providing better products and services and more personalized and engaging interactions, you can create a loyal customer base and increase your retention rates. This can also help you generate valuable feedback and insights, which can fuel your innovation and growth. Perhaps one of the most valuable benefits of a custom AI model is improved decision-making and innovation. By using advanced analytics and predictive models, you can generate insights and predictions from your data and support your decision-making and innovation. This can help you identify new opportunities and solutions and stay ahead of the curve in your industry. If you're interested in creating a custom AI model for your business, there are a few key steps that you should take to ensure success. First, you need to identify your use case and goal and determine if a custom AI model is the best option for you. This may involve doing some research and analysis and consulting with experts and stakeholders to understand your problem and goal. Once you've identified your use case and goal, you need to find a partner or provider who can help you create your custom AI model. This may involve working with an internal team or outsourcing to an external company or freelancer, depending on your resources and preferences. It would help if you looked for a partner or provider who has the relevant skills, experience, and reputation, and who can meet your expectations and budget. Once you've found a partner or provider, you need to define your scope and plan and agree on the deliverables and milestones for your custom AI model. This may involve using tools and templates to define your requirements and specifications and outline your strategy and timeline. Please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our future videos. We have more amazing videos coming up, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching and see you next time.